12 lap 6 car qualifying heat races coming up. These are for cars who qualified 15th on back in the grid today. This is the odd dash, setting up the inside rows from spot 15 on back. Couple laps to warm up their Hoosier Racing tires before we turn them loose. 95 from Elkhorn, Wisconsin is Insane Wayne Freeman. 93 car from Cary, Illinois is John Beinlich, 1 lap from green. Third row down low, youngster from Carroll Stream, Illinois, car 20, Tyler Brown. 91 from Streeter, Illinois is Jeff Wakeman. Everybody's in. Odd positioning dash number 1. Qualifier for the Big 8 Late Model Series. We are green in 2017. Van Oski with the early lead off the hill in turn 2. Trying to inch ahead of Jared Duda. Wakeman off the pace of the 91 car. Beinlich and Duda go side by side for second. John Beinlich second. Duda almost slammed the door on Freeman. Just a little room for Wayne Freeman. He'll take it to move into third. John Beinlich catching your leader, Jake Van Oski. Tyler Brown will go to work on Jared Duda for 4th off of turn 2. Beinlich, meanwhile, all over Van Oski for the lead. Taking a dive, Beinlich trying to look for the lead on that bottom side. That's hard work. Freeman catching them. Going to be a 3-way battle at the front as we approach halfway. Duda holding on to 4th, holding off Brown. Wakeman off back of the 91. There goes Brown to the inside of Duda for 4th off of turn 4. Can't get him. Duda holds on to the position. Beinlich has a look to the inside of Van Oski for the lead down the back straightaway. Shaping up to be a good finish in the first qualifying heat for the Big 8 Late Model cars. Van Oski gets back away from Johnny Beinlich. Duda still holding on to the 4th spot. Laps ticking away. 5 to go. 5 laps to go. Top 3 right in step with one another as they head down the back chute. For 4th again, they get close off of 2. Duda holds on to 4th. Brown still challenges for 4th in the middle of the corner. 2/3 of the way home. Jake Van Oski still your leader. Duda back ahead of Brown. Brown about a car length off the 53 now. Van Oski and Beinlich and Freeman a car length apart, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. 2 laps to go and they get back for your race leader, Jake Van Oski. White flag coming in the hand of Steve Vittori. 4th place battle again in turn 2. Brown to the inside of Duda, no dice. Wakeman about spun it out in 2. 1 to go. Wakeman hits the brakes. He knows he's 6th unless something happens. Don't need to get too risky. Leaders down the backstretch one last time. Race 1 of 2017 to Jake Van Oski. For 4th, they're side by side. Duda holds off Brown. And we get the first qualifier of the day worked out. Starting 23rd, or rather 25th this afternoon will be the 21 of, rather the 91 of Jeff Wakeman. Starting 23rd will be the 20 of Tyler Brown. Starting 21st will be the 53 of Jared Duda. Starting 19th will be the 95 of Wayne Freeman. Starting in 17th will be the car number 93 of John Beinlich. And the winner of qualifying heat number 1 for the Big 8 Late Model Series, car number 84 out of Hartford, Wisconsin. He'll start 15th in this afternoon's 88 lap main event. Driving the Bunzel's Meats, Keith's Marina, Broadway Auto Sales, Thierry's Race Engine, Chevy. How about it for Jake Van Oski?